I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is JetFormBuilder. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to JetFormBuilder Dashboard. Hover on your form and click on Edit. Now click on Setting. Then click on Post Submit Action under JetForm. Select Call Webhook. Click Edit Action icon. And paste here the webhook URL. Click Update. Now update the form. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bid Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now here search and select GetGist. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for API key. Please visit GetGist API console. Now go to Setting. Then click on API key under the setting. Copy this and paste it on authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Choose user type. Now map the fields. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to GetGist. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now let's go to the GetGist. Here is the data that came into GetGist through the integration. Thanks for watching.